Inside, you'll discover a 10-day plan to launch a simple online side stream, how to offer digital tasks anyone can do, even if you're not creative. How to use smart tools to handle 80% of the work for you, what to say, what to post, and how to start getting clicks and orders. This isn't a magic push-button program, but it is simple, repeatable, and built for people with real lives and real responsibilities. Whether you're 21 or 71, on a phone or a laptop, tech-savvy or not at all, if you can follow instructions and spend a few minutes a day learning something new, you can do this. The best part? You go at your own pace. No schedules. No pressure. Just a screen, a connection, and the steps in front of you. If you've been looking for something simple, something doable, and something real, this is your shot. Click below to get instant access to the full 7-minute Wi-Fi blueprint, and see why so many people are quietly using this method to stack up online income, one task at a time. Activate your 7-minute Wi-Fi blueprint. Important: 7-minute Wi-Fi blueprint is completely protected by my 100% satisfaction 60-day guarantee. If you aren't completely satisfied with these products, just email my customer service in the next 60 days for your refund, and you can keep the program as my way of saying thanks. Please note, Jeff Walsh is a pen name. Testimonials, case studies, and examples presented on this page reflect results shared by users of 7-minute Wi-Fi blueprint and related products. These do not guarantee that anyone will achieve the same results. While we have made every effort to accurately represent this product and its potential, there is no assurance that you will earn money using the techniques and ideas provided. The earning statements are examples of the author's success with these methods and should not be interpreted as promises or guarantees of earnings. Your earning potential is entirely dependent on your own efforts in applying the product, ideas, and techniques. ClickBank is the retailer of products on this site. ClickBank is a registered trademark of ClickSales Inc., a Delaware corporation located at 1444 S Entertainment Avenue, Suite 410, Boise, Idaho 83709, USA, and used by permission. ClickBank's role as retailer does not constitute an endorsement, approval, or review of these products or any claim, statement, or opinion used in promotion of these products.